On day 2 of the Seokjin EP Tour in Tampa, excitement filled the air as fans gathered early for the highly anticipated Sound Check event. Despite the blazing Florida sun, armies lined up hours in advance, some waving signs and others wearing custom Seokjin Tour merch, eager to catch even a few extra moments with BTS's Jin. As the gates opened, fans were ushered in with a mix of cheers and gasps, the atmosphere electric with anticipation. When Seokjin finally stepped onto the stage, the crowd erupted. Dressed in a relaxed yet stylish outfit, casual cargo pants paired with a loose tee and signature Jin smile, he instantly lit up the venue. With his signature charm and unmistakable warmth, Jin greeted the crowd with playful waves and casual banter, making fans feel like they were old friends reunited. During the sound check, he ran through a few fan-favorite tracks from the Seokjin EP, delivering smooth live vocals and showcasing the depth and maturity of his artistry post-military discharge. He paused between songs to share candid thoughts, laugh at a few fan signs, and thank everyone for their endless support. What made the moment even more special was how Jin made eye contact with fans in the front rows, giving heart signs and mouthing, "Thank you," with genuine affection. It felt intimate, like a secret shared between him and his loyal supporters. As he finished the last song, fans held up lightsticks and sang along softly, turning the stadium into a glowing sea of purple. Even before the main show began, Day 2's sound check felt like a complete performance in itself, a rare, heartfelt glimpse into the artist behind the superstar. For Tampa Army, it was a memory they'll treasure forever.